Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to test out the Morphe X Ashley Strong palette. So if you want to see how this palette performs, then just keep watching. So like I said, we're going to test out the Morphe and Ashley Strong collection. This is the Affirmation Magic Artistry palette. I got mine at Ulta and it retails for $22. And this is what the palette itself looks like. So it does open like this. So there is no mirror. And then these are the shades. There are 18 shades in the palette. I picked it up because I love these greens, like that army green. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, my nails kind of match this. Anyways, I thought this looked perfect for fall, so I definitely wanted to try it out. And then I went ahead and picked up the lip duo as well. It just says it's called the Tourmaline Soul Lip Duo. Let me see how much this is. This retails for $12. It looks like there's two colors. I did not notice that. At least in store, it looked like there was only one. Oh, that's why. It says that the other color is only in store, or is only online. So there's a neutral brown called Gilded Spirit, but it looks like, at least on Ulta's website, it says it's online only. And then this one, the Tourmaline Soul, which is the mauvey pink one, is in stores for $12. So it comes with a lip liner, and I think it's a gloss. What is it? Yeah, lip pencil and a gloss. Hopefully this color works for me, because I am pretty pale. I'm sure this is close to a nude on her. Oh my gosh, that's dark. Oh, okay. That's gonna be really dark on me. And then this is the color of the gloss. So definitely gonna be dark on me, but still a good fall color for me. This is cute. There's a note on here from her, and it says that she's in shock that you're holding the first ever designed collab by her. I want this collection to feel like peace and power all in one, every single detail. That's cool. If you don't know who Ashley Strong is, she is Strash Me, which she, I think, mostly became widely known for the YouTube show she did with James Charles. What was that show called? Influencer, yeah, you're right. Influencer something. Oh, I'm brain farting. Let's go ahead and just jump in and start using this. If my coloring changes frequently, I'm sorry. Still trying to get used to this camera. And I'm gonna try to keep paying attention to the viewfinder to notice if that's happening. Also, I'm having really bad dry skin. So I don't wanna hear it. My nose is really bad. I have this weird dry patch up here. I don't wanna hear it. But I'm fair warning you because this is a 4K camera and we're about to get closer. So just don't comment. Thanks. This is gonna be so weird. I feel like I haven't done eye makeup in months. So I'm out of practice. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the basics because I am out of practice and I need some stuff to blend with. I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is I Am Talented. It's just kind of like your cool tone neutral brown. And I'm gonna use that all over the face. All over the face. I am so out of touch. All over the lid. Crease. I quit. I shouldn't even film this. I'm done. Oh, if you want to know, I'm using a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush. It is the JH30. It's really awkward to hold this with it opening like this, but okay. Just like riding a bike, right? I should just be able to get right back into it. Hopefully. I'm sweating so bad. We're just gonna turn it on. And if you can hear the AC through the camera, I'm sorry, but I'm dying. Oh, this is cute. I just realized that why it says it's an affirmation palette. They're all literally affirmations. So I am calm, I am exact, I am focused, I am beautiful, I am confident, I am empowered, I am brave, I am happy, I am radiant, I am powerful, I am magical, I am unstoppable, I'm talented, I am kind, I am loved, I am unique, I am thankful, and I am creative. That's cute. I need to look at the I am happy one more often. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with a mixture of these two because I don't like how orange that is. So I'm gonna add some of the yellow in there, and I'm just gonna use the same brush and kind of go in the same area a little bit just to kind of warm this up. To be honest, I probably should have just skipped I'm Talented, but that's okay. It's too late. We're already here now. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that for now. I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm trying to decide. I think I'm gonna go in with I Am Powerful because I Am Confident is kind of pulling a little bit bluish, which is that one. So I'm gonna go in with this one instead. The I Am Powerful. I'm gonna use the Morphe M44 brush. Whew. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm trying to decide if I wanna do a halo look. Let's play it by ear. We're gonna not do a halo at first, and then maybe we'll change it. Oh, this brush is so scratchy. All right, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of the I Am Brave and I Am Happy mixture, these two, and just kind of buff out the crease. And I'm just gonna keep going back and forth between the green and those shades till I can build it up to a color that I like. So that you don't have to sit through that, I'm just gonna fast forward this real quick and just jump to when I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that for now, and let's move on to the lid shade. So for the lid, I'm gonna go with I Am Focused, which is the olive green shade, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. This is the Morphe M124 brush. I'm gonna use that. Okay, there's definitely a lot of kickback on this shade in the palette, and it's a lot darker on the eye than it is in the palette. Wow, on the lid it's almost as dark as the other shades. Not really what I was going for. I shouldn't have done my face first, so I'm trying to really tap it off. I'm gonna go back in, just kind of buff it together. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit of the Brave and I'm Happy again, just to help blend everything and warm up the outer edges again. This is an interesting brush to use. I don't know why I grabbed it. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the I Am Powerful shade again, this one, and put that on my lower lash line. This is a Laura Lee Los Angeles brush. It's the L16. I think I'm actually just gonna take a mixture of I Am Powerful and I Am Focused, since it tends to be almost the same color anyways. We're just gonna put that along the waterline, my lash line, and connect it with the top. I'm gonna take an even smaller brush. This is the Morphe E36, and then I'm just gonna take that mixture of these two shades again and use that to buff out this lower lash line and to blend it into what the top looks like. Okay, so there's not really a color in here that I would use for like the inner corner or brow bone, so I'm gonna use my own, which is my favorite MAC Nylon. We're just gonna pop that in the inner corners and the brow bone. I feel like I want something a little more gold. I think I'm gonna try to add this because I just want something just a little bit more gold. So this is the Amrezy and Anastasia collab. Just see if that does it. Yeah, didn't do much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lashes and then we'll come back and we'll talk about the palette. Okay, lashes are done and I realized I completely forgot about the lips. So we're gonna do the lips real quick. In case you're curious, I did just use the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Now let's do the lips. I'm kind of concerned how dark this is gonna look on me. Oh, this is gonna be dark. Holy shit, that's dark. And I'm ready for fall. So I went ahead and just filled in my whole lip since we just have a gloss and I'm not sure how pigmented the gloss is. It's okay, not really. So we're just gonna put the gloss on now. you can't tell me I'm not ready for fall. It's so dark on me. Really, really pretty color though. Okay, let's talk about everything. So I guess let's just talk about the lips real quick. For fall, this is like a perfect color for me. I actually really like it. The lip gloss feels good. It's definitely not sticky, which is amazing. The lip liner, I personally hate pencils, and I know a lot of people love them. I just know myself and I'll never sharpen it. And I also don't own a sharpener that works because the other one that I have is crap. But it's really pigmented and it glided on so easy. I kept having to make my lip fatter though because it's so pigmented. I would just barely touch and it was there. So I know some people don't like it to be too pigmented, but, or I guess not pigmented, but like, well yeah, pigmented and like creamy. This is very creamy. But for $12, that's an amazing price and they work really well. Now, the eyeshadow palette. I love the color scheme. I wish I would have tried one of the glitters, but I did not. They seem okay. They, like pastels though, hardly have color. I mean, it does, but, so I don't know how well those would work. Other than that, the matte seemed really nice when it came to blending. Although I will say using the I Am Focus shade as the lid, it was kind of hard to get it opaque in some spots. I don't know if you can still tell it's not fully opaque in some areas. I just gave up, to be honest. I was tired of blending it. So is it amazing, amazing quality? No. But is it worth $22? Absolutely. So I would still recommend picking it up. The shades definitely had a lot of kickback on the palette, but I did not have kickback on my face. So that's really nice. I could care less about the kickback on the palette as long as it doesn't happen on my face, because obviously I did my face first, but this did not do that. I actually really like this. I really love the color palette and the color scheme. Is it the absolute best quality eyeshadow out there? No, but it's also $22 for 18 shades. So I'm not mad about it. I definitely think you should pick this up because I think it's worth it and it's perfect for fall in my opinion. So sorry if this video is short. It's kind of hard to make an eyeshadow video long, but that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.